Casa Castores 104 by Bag Arquitectura in Aguascalientes, Mexico. The house is located in the southwest of the city of Aguascalientes within a residential area. It is built on a 1,000 square meters plot of land that allows us to take advantage of and generate a horseshoe-shaped single-level scheme where all spaces converge on a large social garden as the central axis. Respecting the existing flora, the main facade is framed with a large Pirul tree that gives it significant scale, where it reconciles with solid elements covered with natural materials such as wood, stone, and clay, thus reflecting a harmonious language full of contrast and texture. The architectural program reveals a very clear division between social and private space. The system begins with the social area. A beautiful olive tree accompanied by some pots and a backyard garden is the visual finish when entering the house, giving a sensation of permeability and freshness. In this first area, you can enjoy the living dining room where its height and half give it a greater hierarchy in the house. Next to it, the pergola terrace can create a sensation of being in a large space where you can enjoy the garden at all times. This area is complemented by a large kitchen, a study, and a TV room. The private area of the house continues to maintain the same plastic language as the main facade, giving great importance to the central garden. To reach this, we have to enjoy a corridor that is bathed in light thanks to a window design that creates an interesting play of light and shadow. This part of the house is distributed in 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms with a mirror accompanied by a bathroom and dressing room, and a master bedroom that can enjoy the garden through a private terrace that contains a jacuzzi and a quiet space that gives the user an exceptional environment. The entire project is accentuated with the use of indirect light, attracting the view to the focal points of each area and giving the user not only well-lit spaces but also atmospheres with an emotional effect. Luxury finishes such as marble, wood, and steel, together with the use of home automation and lighting design, combine to give the house the level of elegance and category that the client deserves. Each space is designed to generate interaction and balance between the exterior and interior, with its own specific character that responds to the user's needs, resulting in unity throughout the project.